Hello students, good morning. Are you all enjoying the online classes? Because of the present social condition, you are experiencing a different style of learning. Anyway, enjoy learning and try to do your level best. Today in maths class, we are going to study about multiplication and division of fraction. Yesterday's class you already learned how to do the addition and subtraction. Now we will see, first of all we will see how to do multiplication. So listen one question here. 4 upon 7 multiplied by 5 upon 8. Two fractions are given for multiplying. For multiplication, you have to do the numerators together and the denominators together. So the answer of this question will come like this way. Numerators 4 multiplied by 5 upon denominator 7 multiplied by 8. 4 multiplied by 5, 20 will come, and 7 multiplied by 8, 56 will come. After doing the multiplication, you have to check whether the fraction is in improper or if it is in lowest term or not. If the fraction is in improper, you have to convert this into mixed fraction. See the answer here, 20 upon 56. It is not an improper fraction, so there is no need of converting it in mixed fraction. But you can reduce this fraction, 20 and 56. They have common factors, so you can reduce. 20 is divisible by 4 and 56 also divisible by 4. So we are doing the division by 4 here. 20 divided by 4, 5 will come, and 56 divided by 4, 14 will come. So answer of this question is 5 upon 14. The same question you can do in another way also. So listen one another method here. The same question I am taking 4 upon 7 multiplied by 5 upon 8. Instead of doing the multiplication of numerators together and denominators together, the common numbers you can cancel from here itself. Here see this 4 and 8. Both the number you can cancel by 4. 4 divided by 4, 1 will come, and 8 divided by 4, 2 will come here. So now there is no number possible to reduce. So the remaining numbers we will multiply together. In numerator 1 and 5 is there, and in denominator 7 and 2 is there. So the answer will come like this way, 1 into 5 numerator and 7 into 2 denominator. So the last answer will be 5 upon 14. So in both method you got the same answer. In this first method also 5 upon 14, and in second method also 5 upon 14. And this both method, which one is easy, that way you can do. Now see the next question. Second question is written here, 3 upon 4 of 2 3 upon 7 multiplied by 1 15 upon 34. Three fractions are given, and in this one of is written here. In maths, of means you have to do the multiplication, and there one bracket is also given. Inside the bracket two fractions are given, and the both fractions given in the mixed form. So first of all we have to convert the mixed fraction into improper fraction. So that I am writing here. First fraction as it is we are writing down 3 upon 4 of we written bracket, and here 7 into 2 14 plus 3 17. The first improper fraction is 17 upon 7. Multiplication sign, we are putting multiplication sign here also. This one 34 into 1 34 plus 15. It will become 49 upon 34. So as you already know, if in any question bracket is given, first of all you have to solve the solution questions given inside the bracket. That's why we are doing this. This is multiplication only. So we are cancelling. Which number we can cancel, that you are doing. That is this 17 and 34. You can cancel by 17. 17 divided by 17. 1 will come here, and 17 2s are 34. That's why 2 came here. The same way 49 and 7 also you can do the cancellation. 7 divided by 7, 1 will come. 49 divided by 7, 7 will come. Now the remaining numerators you can multiply together, and denominators also multiply together. The first fraction again will write same, 3 upon 4 of 1 into 7, 7 will come, and 1 into 2, 2 will come. So you got now 3 upon 4 of 7 upon 2. Already I said in maths of means multiplication. That we are doing now. Writing once again this 3 upon 4, in place of we put the multiplication sign, and 7 upon 2. Now you check if any number is possible to cancel, do that. If it is not possible to cancel, then you have to multiply the numerators together and the denominators together. Here no number is possible to cancel, so we are multiplying the numerators together. That is 3 multiplied by 7 upon 4 multiplied by 2. 3 into 7, 21, and 4 into 2, 8. 21 upon 8 you got. Now check the fraction. 21 upon 8, it is an improper fraction. So now you know if the answer is improper fraction, you have to convert this fraction into mixed form. So we are doing that one. 21 divided by 8. 8 2s are 16. The quotient you take as the integer, and the remainder 21 minus 16, 5 will come. Remainder will come as the numerator, and the denominator will be same. Here 8, here also 8. So the answer of this question is 2 5 upon 8. Now let us see how we can do the division of fraction. Here two fractions are written. 3 upon 8 divided by 2 13 upon 16. Two fractions are given in mixed form. So first step is convert this mixed into improper. So first we will do that one. 3 upon 8. 8 3s are 24. 24 plus 3 27. The first improper fraction is 27 upon 8, division sign, and here 16 into 2 32. 32 plus 13, it will come 45 upon 16. Both the fraction we changed into improper. After changing the mixed fraction to improper, in division you have to multiply the first fraction with the reciprocal of the second fraction. Multiply the first fraction with the reciprocal of the second fraction. Second fraction means after the division symbol, which is a fraction, that fraction's reciprocal you have to take. Reciprocal means, see this one. This is the second fraction given, 45 upon 16. The reciprocal of this is 16 upon 45. Opposite. This fraction's denominator became numerator and the numerator became the denominator. That is the meaning of reciprocal. Just take the opposite. Suppose if you have to take the reciprocal of number 5. Reciprocal of number 5 is 1 upon 5. Numerator will become denominator and denominator will become numerator of the fraction in reciprocal. So after taking the reciprocal, now see the solution here. First fraction no change, 27 upon 8 we written, and in the place of division symbol here we are putting the multiplication symbol, and 45 upon 16 you have to take reciprocal, that is 16 upon 45. After doing this, just repeat how we will do the multiplication. Same way we have to do here also. Here see 8 and 16 you can cancel. 8 ones are 8 and 8 twos are 16. And this 27 and 45, here you can take a common divisor for dividing. 27 and 45, both numbers will come in 9's table. So you can take 9 for dividing. 27 divided by 9, it will come 3. And 45 divided by 9, 5 will come. After doing the cancellation, the remaining number, what is remaining, that you have to multiply together. In numerator, 3 and 2 is remaining. So we are multiplying 3 into 2. In denominator, 1 and 5 is remaining. So it will come 1 into 5. So now let's see the answer, how it will come. 3 into 2, 6. 1 into 5, 5. It is 6 upon 5. It is an improper fraction. So you have to convert this into mixed fraction. So after converting this into mixed fraction, 6 divided by 5. 1 is the quotient and 1 will be the remainder. So the remainder 1 we take as the numerator and the denominator will be 5 only. So your answer is 1 upon 5. Now listen to the fourth example. Here I written one question. 2 upon 3 multiplied by 1 upon 4 minus 1 upon 12 divided by 1 upon 2. In this question multiplication is given, subtraction is given and also division is given. Whenever you are getting a question like this way, you have to use the rule BODMAS. BODMAS you learned in previous classes, in smaller classes also you learned. B means bracket, O means off, D means division, M means multiplication, A means addition and S means subtraction. That order you have to solve. About BODMAS, we will discuss in detail tomorrow. So now let me explain this question. Here already bracket is there, so yes, in the previous question also I said if bracket is given, first you have to solve the bracket. The other fraction we are writing as it is. 2 upon 3 is the first fraction, we written like the same, 2 upon 3. Multiplication symbol also we put, and we put the bracket also. Here 1 upon 4 minus 1 upon 12, it is subtraction of fraction. Already you know how to do the subtraction. LCM you have taken, denominator is 4 and 12. LCM of 4 and 12 is 12. After taking the LCM, you know, you have to change the numerator also. Those who can do directly you can write. If anyone have doubt, you just do the solution in the rough column. See how to do. Once again I am here repeating. 1 upon 4 is the first fraction we taken. It should be multiplied by the LCM 12. And this 4 and 12 you can divide by 4. 4 divided by 4 1 will come, and 12 divided by 4 3 will come. And this 1 into 3 3. 3 is the first numerator here. And we written 3 here, and this is subtraction sign, that is why subtraction sign we put here also. Second fraction, it is 1 upon 12 multiplied by the LCM. 12 and 12, 1 will come, 1 into 1, 1. Bracket closed, and this is division symbol, and next fraction is 1 upon 2. Now we will write the answer of this bracket. First fraction again without any change, 2 upon 3 multiplied by 3 minus 1, 2 upon 12 divided by 1 upon 2. Now see the question. In this only multiplication and division is remaining. In multiplication and division, first we have to do division. So we are doing the division here first. First we will write as it is again. Here I am solving. 2 upon 3 multiplied by 2 upon 12. In division, you have to take the reciprocal of the second fraction, 1 upon 2. Reciprocal of 1 upon 2 is 2 upon 1, and it should be multiplied also, 2 upon 1. Now it became multiplication. All the three fractions you have to multiply together. Either you can multiply the numerators together and multiply the denominators together, then reduce. Otherwise you can cancel. Any one method you can use. Here I am cancelling this 2 and 12. You can cancel. 2 divided by 2, 1, 12 divided by 2, 6 will come. Again this 2 and 6 you can cancel. Here 1 will come, here 3 will come. Now no number you can cancel. Now what is remaining you multiply together. That is in numerator 1 into 1 into 2. And in denominator 3 into 3 into 1. 1 into 1 into 2, answer is 2. And 3 into 3 into 1, answer is 9. And check the answer. If it is improper, convert it. It is not improper, so there is no need of converting. And check whether it is possible to reduce also. 2 and 9. There is no common factor. So 2 upon 9 is the answer of this question. Let us stop here. Now this is today's homework. 7 questions I given here. And this is multiplication questions. And here this one. See in third question, 4 2 upon 7 times. Times means you have to do the multiplication only, and the division and multiplication questions again already I explained how to do. So you have to do these 7 questions in the notebook plus 4 questions I explained. 7 plus 4, 11 questions you have to do in the notebook. Okay, bye.